What's up, guys? It's Raf in the Rafcave. Thanks for coming by and checking out this unboxing video of the V-Moda Crossfade 2 wireless headphones. My journey to headphone glory has finally come to an end. I cannot wait. So basically, guys, head over to Best Buy Magnolia. These are on display. Put them on, played music through them for about 20 minutes. Various R&B and hip hop, my kind of music, Guys, I could not believe the bass was deliciously clean and deep and undistorted. And the mids, perfect. All the separation of the instruments and the highs, when they needed it, were there. Vocals are beautiful. I could not believe what I was listening to on my head. And the style of these headphones, the lightweight of these headphones, the compact ability of these headphones folding up, and the nice case they come with. Oh man, could not wait. Plus, they're able to customize the ear cup plates in various three-dimensional kind of plates or different materials like gold and platinum. High buck, high price, but if you want to deck these out, it's fully customizable on their website. What I chose was a laser engraved Rafcave symbol on the side of these headphones. So when I'm turning left and right, you guys can check out the symbol on the side of the ear cuffs. Man, I cannot wait to see them. They're right in front of me. They're in a plastic bag. I have not looked at them. I'm going to look at them for the first time with you guys. Welcome to the channel if you're new. I'm Raf, home theater inspiration videos, unboxings, trailer reactions, and gaming stuff. So if you're into that stuff, smash the like and smash that subscribe. I appreciate it. And that bell too. All right, guys, without further ado, I'm super excited. These headphones are it, man. Check them out if you haven't heard about them. V-Moda. Out of nowhere, V-Moda popped up. What is this V-Moda? Put those bad boys on, you'll never forget them. Fantastic. These are also the wireless version. The rose gold model is, it's basically got a higher end Bluetooth compatibility. So it'll pick up some really, really crisp high-res audio. And that's the one I wanted to go with to have that ability. Custom Japanese parts in here. Supreme 50mm dual drivers. Man, it's over. All right, guys, let's get this unboxed. Look what's inside. Check out the plates. And put them on, baby. All right, let's get it. All right, guys. Here are the two plates that I had engraved. I haven't flipped them over yet. I'm going to do that with you guys. We'll do that next. All right, guys, here's the box. Got a little button in front here. Got some owner's manuals and documentation, probably a sticker. Nice, plush, comfy little pad inside here. Ooh, the baggie. Oh man, that's a cool case. What else is in here? Special message from the CEO. Cool dude, I saw a bunch of his YouTube videos. Activate your premier warranty and 50% immortal life program. How cool is that, guys? Anything busts or breaks on this, 50% off the next pair you get. Awesome. Oh, what a cool, cool egg pod these are in. Wow. How freaking gorgeous is this headphone case? Are you kidding me? With the rose gold accents? Oh man. I feel like I'm a Batman armor. That is crazy. Definitely compact. You throw this off a cliff, no worries on your headphones. Nice little ring right here, go on your belt or whatnot. Perfect. Oh, guys, you ready? Here we go. Oh man, finally. Some amazing headphones. Oh, is that sexy or what, guys? Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, what compact little guys these are. Nice weight, premium build. I love it. On the inside, guys, we have the cables. Headphone cables here with a microphone for making voice calls. Plug in all the way. This is about a 6-foot cord. Nope, it's about 4.5 feet. 4.5 feet. Very nice. And over here we have the charging USB cable to charge up the battery. And I believe the battery runs about 15 hours or so. About 15 hours, 13 to 15 hours. Standard USB charge. Oh man. All right guys, look at these guys. Whoa, hello. And we have our 1/4-inch headphone adapter for the Sirius headphone jack. All right, so I know these guys fold out. Oh, cool. Click. Oh, that's awesome. These feel good, guys. These feel real good. These cushions. Oh, nice. All right. How's this take off? How's he? Okay, a little sticky. All right. 6-star service. For help, v-moda.com. All right, take these guys. There you go. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yeah. Nice. So these are the screws here. You got to get a little tool to unscrew these little screws and put the new plate on. All right, here you got some instructions here. All right, so this is for the Bluetooth capabilities. Volume up, volume down. Pause, call or end call. ×2, skip track. 3 times, skip back. Hold 1-2 seconds for calling out. Hold for 3 seconds, voice assistant. Got your off, on standby, hold for pairing, and then hold 3 seconds of factory reset. Okay. All right, let's take these guys off. I like this. It's so nice to unbox these. Premium, man. Let's out that cable now. All right, now we're off. Look at these guys, they're beautiful. Wow, look at that. Rose gold, I love that. V-Moda. That's sexy or what? Volume down. Volume up. That's your master button there for various plugs. Off. Middle is on, and hold it to pair. Boom, they're on. Look on the inside. I like that oval shape. You talking to me, girl? You talking to me? All right. All right, I'll pair a little bit. All right, guys, I'm going to put these on and listen to some music. Oh man, these are cool. This is where your hardware cord goes and the charging and USB adapter. Now, here we go, guys. You ready for this? Rafcave plates. Oh, I'm so nervous, guys. Oh, guys, you ready? Rafcave. Oh my God. That is so sweet. Laser engraved the Rafcave. Ah, that's so cool. Hell yeah, guys. The Rafcave. Boom. Hell yes. Hell yes, man. I love that. That is sweet. The Rafcave, baby. Oh, that's so cool. Customize. Oh, you get a little mini screwdriver here too. Oh, and the screws. What? Ha ha ha! The Rafcave. Yes. Oh, that's cool. And you get the little mini guy here and all your screws. Oh, it's amazing. Excellent job, V-Moda. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm going to get these on, and then I'll sit down and we'll plug them in. Let's go unscrew all these and put it on there and screw it back in. I'll be right back, guys. See that, guys? It's amazing. I got them on. It took a bit. These screws are tiny, and that little tool, man, you're really crimping your fingers, but eventually I got it all in. Rafcave, the high gloss black stainless steel, man, brushed metal. Ooh, so good looking. All right, so I have not put them on yet, guys. So I got the two plates on the side for the Rafcave. Now I want to pair these Bluetooth to my tablet here. So I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth feature. Bluetooth. So you want to hit that little power lever and go over to on. And you want to hold it 3 seconds to go into pairing mode. Okay, so I think it's in pairing mode. Okay, so V-Moda Crossfade 2 pops up. Click, pairing. We're good. We're connected. Okay. All right, let's put on some Spotify action. And you know where I'm going to? Some Drake. And we're going to... Where you at? Passion fruit, baby. All right, light is on. We're paired. We're ready to go. Right and left. Click, 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 click. Ooh, a couple nice pillows on my ears. And very good sound isolation too. Lightweight. Very thin on the side here, so not much gap, which is nice. Ooh, okay. Passion fruit, here we go. There we go. Deep bass, guys. Holy cow, these are great. Okay, we're gonna find the volume controls now. There we go. Woo! Oh my God, man. Damn, the bass is so good on these. There's the mid-range. Okay, volume. Yep, getting. There's the volume. Okay. I feel good, guys. They don't shake on my head. Nice and secure. Feel great, guys. The band on the head, I don't feel nothing up here. I don't feel nothing. Now let's let you guys know there are some XL ear cups that you can buy for 20 bucks. Much thicker. I love this song. So, oh my gosh. All right. Guys, fantastic. Fantastic headphones. Some Post Malone, some Sunflower. Oh man, so good. And I think the range is like 30 feet though, guys, so it's pretty good. All right, guys, I'm good. All right. Oh man, these are great. These are so great. Guys, you fold them in. Boom, just like that. Put it in the case. Boom. So compact. Boom, that's it. Take it with you. It's over. All right, guys. Thanks for watching me jamming out on this V-Moda Crossfade 2 wireless rose gold with the Rafcave laser engraved plates on the side. Oh, it's awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Definitely go check them out, guys. Headphones, V-Moda Crossfade 2. You're going to love them. All right, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching this. Like, subscribe, share. Appreciate it. If you like this one, click another one. Home theater rules. Rafcave out.